welcome to day 2 of this year's advent calendar.
So today we're going to be doing the same thing we did yesterday, which is opening this bad boy, that bad boy, these bad boys, and those bad boys.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe because we're going to be uploading one advent calendar every day, counting down the days towards Christmas. You don't want to miss it, so hit that button and also the bell so you get notified, but you won't really, so yeah.
Yeah.
And if you're under 13,
you're not here. There's no one here under 13.
nope.
So now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the Nativity Advent Calendar from Precious Moments. So thank you, Precious Moments, for the free product.
I got a drawer.
Is that number 2?
I think this is Joseph.
What
It
is it?
is. It's his boyfriend.
It's Tony.
This is Joseph.
The angel stopped by to see Joseph then too. Don't worry, he said, the Lord will guide you.
They're waiting for their son.
We're gonna open up this Christmas advent calendar here. We already got the tree. Let's go to day number 2. Emma, take it away. Take the reins. You're a reindeer. Let's go.
Take it away.
I gotta find 2. Found
There
it.
it is.
Alrighty.
I'm Papa Snowman, here to say let's brighten up this holiday.
Thank you, Precious Moments, for the second free product.
Micah wants to hold the snowman. Emma, you hear that? You better give it to him or that one commenter's gonna say you're mean. So next is meat. So let's go ahead and open up number 2. Bada bing. So this one is honey bourbon venison strips.
Ooh.
So more here. Do you want some?
No.
Well, why'd you say you wanted some?
Well, want some.
I
Whoa,
do.
what's that?
What do you think, I'm crazy? Here you go, Noah.
Thank you, kind brother of mine.
So let's test this out.
Ooh. Ooh. That's a lot better than yesterday's. That's like sweet. It tastes good. Yesterday's one had a weird, like, sour taste to it, probably because of the root beer, but it's good.
That whole conversation Micah was talking about his booger. Okay, now it's my turn to open up my advent calendars.
Now that's just amazing.
I gotta
Save it well.
I gotta cut my nails.
Save it
Oh
well.
my goodness.
Wait, I'm sure there'll be another instructions packet in here.
Maybe
It
not.
might be in broken English again.
Is that air?
There's nothing in here.
It's air?
It's nothing.
Yeah!
So, looks like number 2 slipped into number 1, and the circle charm, like the little donut charm that came with this.
Donut charm,
Yep.
yeah.
It was actually number 2. Now it's time to do the makeup. That's number 20.
That's number 2.
One tree, one tree.
Oh, dang. Oh, dang.
Oh, dang. Oh, dang.
Micah's got the right attitude.
All right. So
Whoa.
we have glam gloss.
Ooh, now that
Ooh.
sounds about right.
Is it glam and glossy, Emma?
Is it
It's
glossy
it's
and
glammy. I don't have a mirror. I don't know what I'm doing.
Glammy and gloss.
All right, are you guys ready for some cheese?
I'm ready for some cheesel.
We all say all right. So
Here's some
much.
cheese.
All right.
All right.
Okay, and let's pop that open.
I'm going.
Ooh, Gouda!
Ooh.
Gouda.
We got some Gouda.
Don't cut a million pieces like you did yesterday. Just 2 or 3. It smells kind of bad, not gonna lie.
Ooh, it smells like Gouda.
I don't like cheese.
You want some?
That's pretty good.
I don't like cheese.
It's pretty sharp.
It's pretty good. I actually like it. The smell is just disgusting.
It's too sharp for my liking.
When it's too sharp, it's been too ripe.
He doesn't like it.
Here.
It's good. Thank you.
Do you want to try this little piece of jerky?
Yeah, bye.
No, you missed it.
I like the way you react when you.
You missed it again. Okay, now we're on to the gifts from brands.
Yeah.
So get ready for us to say thank you, whatever, for the free product at least 4 times.
Micah, you want to open this present?
meow.
And then it's called Fighter. It's called Fighter. Let's open it.
Parking garage.
Let's open this box.
This is from Green Toys. Thank you, Green Toys, for the free product.
Open
This
it.
is 100% recycled plastic.
You hear?
Also made in the United States of America.
I need to play this.
Whoa!
Oh my god. Wow. Oh my goodness.
It's going down the ramp. That's physics.
Wow. Watch this. Watch
Now, moving on.
this. Yeah. A thing.
Whoa! We got Stranger Things Dungeons and Dragons.
Wow. You gotta learn how to play that.
You know, we tried once, and it was a doozy.
It didn't work out.
I tried being the dungeon master, but the
And
problem
play it.
with being a dungeon master is you have to research like a lot of stuff, and you have to know all the characters
And no, it didn't.
at first, and then you have to research your own character.
All right, so thank you Hasbro Gaming for the free product.
So I assume like
I think
a
it
story
also
like,
has
set up.
a campaign with it.
You
Yeah,
know
so
what?
maybe
We'll
we
learn
can-
how to do this, and we'll have
A great old
we'll
time.
have a podcast where we play Dungeons and Dragons, just like every single other YouTuber on the planet.
What's Matt gonna do? Start a podcast?
Oh.
Yeah, I want to be Steve. I don't even care about
But still,
any of
this
the
is a
magical
probability,
characters. I'm
so
gonna be a
even though you
normal
rolled
dude.
over a 12, the dungeon's good at telling
What toy do
stories,
you want
but...
next? Come here. Come here. Let's look at the
Think
toys.
it isn't a toy. Bam! Hobo Goblin. Sir Trickster. Giant Spider. This is pretty good.
It's going up,
You know, maybe
Dada.
like...
I've been informed this one is a donation gift.
Whoa.
Really turn it apart, see?
Okay.
Bam!
Whoa.
So this is Enchantimals, Fancy Flamingo, and Swash. And this is from Mattel, so thank you Mattel for the free product.
It's a little preoccupied right now, so I'm gonna open up this gift. Alright, look, are you ready?
Done. Don't do it.
Sensory balls!
Now that's what I'm about.
This is exactly what every child needs. Look at these, Lydia.
They're sensory and they're balls.
This is from Edushape.
Like it might be like education, so
Yeah, Edushape.
Edushape.
Thank you, Edushape. Luca, do you want a sensory ball inside of your bottle? It's yellow.
Oh, I
Bro, I wanna-
What a sensory ball.
Wait here, let me take it.
Yeah.
There he goes.
It's all
Feeling
fixed.
sense. You like it, Liz?
I want to hold it.
Okay.
I want to hold it.
All right, that's it for day number 2.
My ball.
Tune in to-
my ball.
You threw it.
I want
Tune in
to-
for day number 3 tomorrow, and subscribe and click the notification bell, even if it doesn't work.
This is from Precious Moments. Thank you, Precious Moments, for free product.
You stole my hat.
Can you guys move Mike a sip because you can't see his face?
Matt, the Matt.
Ah.
Okay, he's not gonna approve of that.